Okay, now we're going to start getting into polar equations and how to actually graph them. So we know the polar graph is r and theta. R equals c. If you have an equation that's just like radius equals a number, that's just a circle with the radius of that number. If you have an equation that's theta equals an angle, that's just going to be a line. So look at the easy ones first. So r equals 3. That means, hey sis, the radius is 3. So you would draw a circle where your radius is at 3. You know what I'm saying? Cool. For this one, the radius is -2. Now the positive and negatives for radius doesn't matter because no matter what the radius is, I'm going up, down, left, and right too. So like here's -2, but I'm gonna do that all the way around. So the negative is kind of irrelevant. Okay, so number 3, theta equals 30 degrees. That means I'm gonna draw a line that has an angle of 30 degrees. So if this is I'm on my unit circle. Here's 0 degrees. I'm gonna go up 30 degrees. Whenever you graph this, you have to show your angle because she's not listed here. And then just continue it. Okay, theta is -45. In this case, the negative does matter because I'm gonna go down 45 degrees. I just burped, LOL. And then I'll continue it. Wow, perfect. So that's your circle and your line. Let's look at it on a more pretty graph. I'm doing really good today, wow. Okay, so this one, the radius is 2. So I'm gonna go up, down, left, and right 2. And draw my circle. And here, theta is pi/6. We know that's like right here. I'm just gonna put pi/6 like this. But either way, you have to label it. Okay, a couple more on the next page. Ooh, who is she? Okay, here's some trickier ones. R sine theta equals 3. Well, we learned that r sine theta is just y. So we're actually just graphing y equals 3. Well, y equals 3 is just a straight line where it crosses the y-axis at 3. So that's just going to be a horizontal line there. Cool. Okay, r equals 2 cosine theta. Okay, this isn't one where we can switch it into x or y because the cosine isn't with the radius. This is where things get a little tricky. Cosine means we're going to be on the x-axis. Okay, the 2 represents the diameter. Okay, since this is a positive equation, we're going to be on the positive x-axis. So that's over here. If this had said -2 cosine theta, I'd be over here. So to graph this, I'm going to start at 0, 0. I'm going to go a distance of 2 along the positive x-axis. Okay, that's the diameter, which means the radius is 1. So if my circle is here, I'm going up and down 1 to keep the diameter at 2. I'm going to do another one similar to this on the same graph. Let's do r equals -4 sine theta. So this is still going to be a circle. The diameter is 4. But because it's negative, we're on the negative. And because it's sine, y-axis. So that's going to be down here. So I still start at 0, 0, but I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if diameter is 4, that means I'm going to go left and right just 2, because 2 will be the radius. And there you go. You have 4 more down here to practice with, and then check it on Schoology. Ta-ta!